Today is my third time of skiing in Germany, but this time I'm practiced by myself. So if you're the beginner like me, you are about to see how good or how bad I am for this period of practice. And I'm breaking down the cost at the end of the video, how much the gear and clothing will be cost you to start skiing. Okay, let's go! Good afternoon everybody from Garmisch. So we are now in one of the ski resort in Germany. So this one I think it's called Garmisch Classic. So I put the name on the screen if you want to know where it is. And where I'm sitting right here, where everything started for the beginner, also for the advanced people know how to ski already. So on the right side, like you can see, it's more where you can cut the ski lift to the top for riding back to where it is right here. And then on the left side, where I will be there for just a couple seconds, which is mostly for the beginner like me, which is I'm going there right now. So in this area, it's more like for the beginner to start it, and then it's kind of easy to go up. So yeah, like you can see, it's kind of like and then they kind of like over there. All right. Okay, here we go. Okay, so where you see behind me, it is also where you practice your first ski, learn how to ski, or kind of like the beginner, where they have like the trainer or instructor teach you how to ski, because this kind of area is mostly for the beginner like me. So even though if you are fail or fall or whatever, it's kind of like acceptable, not dangerous or anything. It's just like, as I said, it's not really sharp dip, like you can see. And then this is the third time that we are here for the ski, which is two previous video, it was on the New Year time, and this is in February that we are here again. So this is like the third time that we are here on this snow slope where you can enjoy yourself. So this time I don't need the trainer to teach me how to ski, because it's just the timing to like take time to practice and practice and practice. So this is like a third round for me of today. And then coming here, starting to get on the queue in order to get on the T-bar to go a little bit up, so then I can kind of like sliding down back a little bit longer than it was just now. And yeah, that is a difficult part when we just started like this, and I fall like one time, and I hope right now I'm not gonna fail, because I did it like maybe four times, and then in my hand I got the camera and then the two stick, like you can see. But yeah, hopefully I get up there successfully. And this area is more for the beginner, and like you can see in front of me, or the snow skate. So this is also the challenging, like especially like if it stops and then the snow is gonna be like run back, and then you need to figure out how to use the brake or like a pizza, and then also need to be ready when it's ready to go back up. So right now stop, and when it started again, and that is kind of like pulling you to forward. So I think right now it just start moving, like you can see on the top. I'm not sure. Yeah, so here we go. Woo! Yeah, you know what I mean. Yeah, and then the snow today, it's kind of wet because of the temperatures, like 9 or something like that today. If I let me see the
temperature, and then if it's wrong, not mine, I'm gonna tell you. This is kind of like, oh my god, like challenging for the beginner like me. Today I got like so much improvement, and I don't have the instructor today, because I mean, have instructor or not, it's kind of like the same. And to me personally, I would say it's even worse to have on the third day, because it's not about the instructor anymore. It's about you needing the time to practice more. That's how it is. So, and then if you are failed during your go up, it's super normal. And then if you are not failed, it's like you're doing perfect. But you know, who's gonna start with perfect, right? Yeah, and then very first start, I was like, oh my god, I was like, without instructor, I was like, who's gonna back me up or whatever. And then I was like super scared, and I was like, no, I'm not gonna do it because I will fail or whatever. So yeah, good listen. So, whew. Now here we go, I'm gonna dish that. Whew. Sorry. Yeah, go. So we're gonna go.
Since we are living in Germany, so the ski sport is very popular in here, or you can say in Europe. Especially, it is very new for me, and I really love it. However, you can say this is an expensive sport, especially when you are just started like me. As a good start, I need to attend the basic ski training option 1 or 2, whether 1 day or 2 days. So I did for 2 days training, as you can see the price on the screen, and you also, you know, always check the latest price on their website if you want to attend the training like me. And then if you need to rent the gear or clothing, it's also another fee to add on. Also the gear, like maybe it's around 500 to 700 US dollar for the cheap one, or the discount one gear, like ski boot, ski helmet, ski poles, plus the ski pants, jacket, glove, something like that, or even sunglasses, or the goggle for, you know, when you wear, especially when it's windy or you are ski fast.
So I'm kind of like comfortable with the turn, especially with like a slow and up to bit like the other like it's upcoming, and then I was just like trying to go slow.
So as you can see earlier, I was skiing around the beginner area, which is less people, also kind of like a slow people that they are skiing. But this is the area or the slope way that a lot of people that they are coming from the top, which is most of them they are very fast. So I need to be careful, especially I just need to stay on the side, so then they will not hit me from behind, since I am just like trying to learn how to turn left and right, but I'm not gonna go to the middle of the road. As you can see behind me, they are super fast. And also, if you are not confident how to be there by yourself, like kind of like using the pizza or using completely brake, I would suggest you to stay on the beginner side area as much as you can, until you know how to control fully on your ski.
All right, successfully. For this is like the third round for me to do that, but I am able to do the camera filming only that third round, because I need to make sure that I'm comfortable and easy to go. Yeah.
And what we did today, it's only half day lift tickets, so we pay around almost 300 US dollar for 3 of us, which is including the gear and the ski booth or the snow booth. I list on the screen what did we rent from the the ski house, so then you will know how much did we spend for today. That's so cool.
How's you doing the valley right now? Nice.
Look at that view above the cloud.
James is heading down into the clouds.
Oh wow. The ski resort, they are closing at 4:30, and for us right now we are starting to leave around 3:30. It is because we don't want to be like in the crowd or kind of like pushing to get the gondola down, so that's why we are leave like almost 1 hour early. And yeah, this is what we spent on our third time to the ski resort and practice on the ski. And thank you so much guys for watching and coming along with us, and please stay tuned for the Europe road trip with us. Tomorrow we will be driving to Italy. And yeah, so for now, you guys have a great day. Bye.